Designing an Arduino-based voice-controlled multi-directional bot. Today let's upgrade our previous Bluetooth bot system into an intelligent voice-controlled robot that will be based on Bluetooth. Today we will interface the robot to an application that will convert your voice commands to Bluetooth. You can even add some custom code to make your bot move in different angles and directions. So let's upload the code now. Download the BT Voice Control for Arduino app from Play Store. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone and pair your device with HC05. Password is generally 1234. If your kit came with a different password, use it. Open the app. Connect robot from settings. Select HC05. Tap the microphone button and say the command for X, forward, left, right, etc. If your system is working correctly, it should move when it detects the words. Note: if the vehicle is running in reverse, don't worry, just switch the wiring of pin 5 and pin 6 of the Arduino with each other. This is the second build of a smart wireless bot. Feel free to experiment with different voice commands by customizing your code. We have something great coming up for you soon. Follow us to check our upcoming videos, where we add some more upgrades and help you to make more 5-minute maker hack videos. If you liked our video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to get great content regularly.